Going back to part 6 of my XR500 rebuild. Today I'm going to work on my mask here for my headlights. I sanded this before. It was in pretty bad shape. I got this on eBay, but I sanded with the 320 grit and then 400 grit, and then I used primer, high build primer, so it'll hide the scratches. So I already primed it a couple days ago and I sanded with 400. I'm going to sand it again with 600 to make it a little smoother, and then I'll put a coat of paint on it. I'm going to clean it here with wash and wipe here. Get all the grease. Usually paint these flat black, but I like to do a semi-gloss black. That looks really good. I'm gonna just do one coat on that. All right, dried pretty good there. Semi-gloss, I like that color. This mask on the edge here, so I want to paint this red. Let's put a light coat on the edge. That's all I'm going to do. Let's get this done at Napa. I just bought my side cover and they matched it up. And that's good enough for me. I'm going to try to take this off now. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I like it. I'm just going to touch it up right here. I'm gonna wire this bike up, like say, for the road, so I need a brake switch and a brake switch down there, which I have. Took it off the XL250. And this one here, I ordered a cable from eBay, so it goes from here to here. So the 6-volt yellow and white wire underneath the tank. The red plug, I'm gonna solder 2 brown wires to it. One will go to the front brake switch, and the other one will go to the rear brake switch. And when they're gonna go to send power to the orange wire, and it's gonna put the brake light on. And the other one is just the on light on when you put the light on. So this system is like 6-volt AC, and I can't find an AC bulb high and low brake light bulb, so I'm gonna have to convert it to a DC system and probably put a LED light in it, and hopefully it works out. Plug the red connector to the side, and I shaved off the insulation, so I'm just gonna, here's my 2 wires, one up here, one back here, and soldering down here. One brown wire goes to the rear brake switch, this brown wire goes to the front. And then I gotta run a wire all the way to the brake light, so I'm gonna run an orange wire. And these 2 will go to the brake switch to the front. And I'm gonna tape this all up here, and I'll tape this all up and run this rear wiring harness back in. I'll set up my switch here. right here I welded this bracket in here took this off my XL250. Put the switch here. I'm just gonna, I adjusted this. It comes on right there. It's working perfect. So just here. Bought these butt connectors here on eBay. We'll try them out, see if they work good. Very good. So I bought this tail light off on eBay. It doesn't fit quite right here because I want this to shine the plate I'm going to put here. So it's got a light for the plate. Just make some 2 marks here and drill 2 holes, 6mm holes here. I installed my headlight. I'm missing my steel spacers here, right here in my headlight, so I'm gonna get 8mm tubing. And I drilled a 6mm hole in it, make sure it takes a 6mm hole, which is about 10mm. I'm gonna cut this around 9. Alright, my headlight on here. There you go. Alright, I bought this bag on the XR500 group site on Facebook. Pretty cool, all original. I love it, awesome. Alright, try the headlight, see if it works. I'll put the chain idler on here. I bought this on eBay. It was broken off here. I made this piece, and this piece here bolted her up. Good enough for me. Things in here. There you go. Now there should be an inch of free travel here. That's good enough for me. Alright, that's it for part 6. Things left to do here is to put the original shocks back in. This is a DC bulb on AC system, so I'm going to put a rectifier in here and run a LED bulb in the back. Probably paint the tank. Maybe redo the motor this year, or maybe next year, don't know. Alright, if you like this video, press thumbs up below. You can subscribe to my channel, click below. Thank you for watching.